Hello everyone. Last time we discussed some women related issues like STEAM and domestic violence and safety at the workplace Vishakha guidelines. Okay, so these topics were discussed last time, and today I'm going to discuss one more topic which is menstrual hygiene. Okay, menstrual hygiene को related एक topic है and that is menstrual hygiene इन इंडिया ओके। तो menstrual hygiene जो है recently Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, if I'm talking about hygiene, if I'm talking about menstrual hygiene, that means we are talking about the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. There's a draft act and that is passed in 2023. Okay, so it recognizes the menstrual and natural bodily process of the all who menstruate, including the girls. It includes the girls plus women, and prioritize the underserved and vulnerable population. It is the underserved and the vulnerable population. Vulnerable population, ensuring equitable access to menstrual and hygiene. Okay, equitable access to menstrual hygiene. And Spain जो था, Spain was the first European country to grant paid menstrual leave, and it given the menstrual leave, and that was the Spain. It is the first country. Menstrual hygiene scheme आई थी, and scheme was in 2011. स्वच्छ भारत मिशन में भी इसको रखा गया है, and स्वच्छ भारत मिशन एंड दैट इज 2014 में आया था. नेशनल गाइडलाइंस आई थी 2005 में, एंड गाइडलाइंस फॉर द menstrual hygiene for the menstrual for the menstrual and hygiene. Okay, so there was a guidelines for the menstrual hygiene, and 28 मई को menstrual hygiene day celebrate किया जाता है. 28 मई of every year it is celebrated as the menstrual hygiene day, menstrual hygiene day. Okay, and रेड डॉट कैंपेन भी लाया गया है. कैंपेन रेड डॉट कैंपेन and right to women for the free access of the menstrual health bill, and right to women free access for the menstrual health bill and menstrual bill 2022. ओके, सो ये सारी की सारी चीजें हैं. फर्स्ट मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन स्कीम है, स्वच्छ भारत मिशन है, नेशनल गाइडलाइन फॉर द मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन मैनेजमेंट है, अस्मिता योजना इज ऑल्सो. सो अस्मिता स्कीम is 2000 and Udan Asmita in the Maharashtra, and Udan scheme that is in the Rajasthan, and Khushi scheme that is in the Odisha. So Asmita scheme that is in the Maharashtra, Udan scheme that is in the Rajasthan, and the Khushi scheme that is in the Odisha for the distribution of the subsidized free sanitary napkin. It is for the free sanitary napkin. ओके, तो ये पूछा जाता है कहाँ कहाँ पर है. तो अस्मिता दैट इज इन द महाराष्ट्र, उड़ान स्कीम इज इन द राजस्थान, एंड खुशी स्कीम दैट इज इन द ओडिशा. ओके, एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट. अब हम जैसे ये वुमेन का लास्ट टॉपिक था, and this topic was dependent on the menstrual hygiene and bill that was 28 May as a menstrual hygiene day. Every year we are celebrating, and now next topic which is we are going to discuss, this is about the children's. Okay, तो children's से related भी बहुत से topics हैं. So first is child labor. Okay, so child labor क्या होता है? That is the parliamentary standing committee है, parliamentary and committee. Parliamentary Standing Committee and it is under the standing committee labor textile skill development, implementing the policy like achieving the ultimate goal of 2025, goal of the 2025 for the eliminating the child labor, eliminating the child labor, eliminating the child labor, eliminating the child labor. Okay, so ILO जो है, okay, ILO is working for the child labor. ILO is working for the eliminating of the child labor, and this is for the potential and dignity of the child and for their mental and physical development. So this schooling like depriving of the opportunities. So first will be the attendance in the school, attendance in the school, first in the attendance in the school, and second will be the combined school attendance, and now next will be the 10.1 million working children between the 5 to 14 year of the age. 5 to 14 year of the age are not giving the education. Uttar Pradesh followed by the Bihar, and followed by the Rajasthan, followed by the Madhya Pradesh. This is about the schooling 55%. इंडिया ने रेटिफाइड किया है, दैट इज द कन्वेंशन ऑफ 182 and convention of 138, 182 and 134, minimum age employment and worst form of the child labor. It is for the worst form of the चाइल्ड लेबर, अगर बहुत ही बुरी कंडीशन हो चाइल्ड लेबर की, द वर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द चाइल्ड लेबर. एंड 138, दिस इज फॉर द मिनिमम एज, दिस इज फॉर द मिनिमम एज ऑफ द employment. Okay, minimum age of the employment. Okay, so article 21a, this is for the free and compulsory education, free and compulsory education, this is for the free and the compulsory एजुकेशन. ओके, आर्टिकल 45 में कहा गया है कि ऑल चिल्ड्रन जो होंगे 6 ईयर के, ठीक है, उनको क्या किया जाएगा, केयर एंड एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, केयर एंड एजुकेशन. दिस इज अंडर द DPSP. एंड आर्टिकल 23 में कहा गया है कि प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ द चाइल्ड लेबर, चाइल्ड लेबर को आप क्या करोगे, चाइल्ड लेबर को प्रोहिबिट करोगे. और यहाँ कन्वेंशन 138, दैट इज प्रोवाइडेड द मिनिमम एज फॉर द एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, मिनिमम एज फॉर द एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन. So it is minimum age. It is for the age related issue 138. And article 24 जो employment होता है फैक्ट्री में, so article 24, this is the employments in the factory, employments in the factory. Okay, in the factory. So this age group of the 14, it is reducing for this. Okay, article 39, and article 39 is the health strength of the worker and children. So this is for the health and strength of the worker and the children and the children's. Okay, so child labor prohibition act that was enacted in the 2016. Okay, so child labor prohibition act. So now we are going to discuss about the child labor prohibition act. Okay, so there is a child labor and Prohibition Act, Child Labor Prohibition Act, and that was enacted 2016. So children below age of 14 year of the age, children below the age of the 14 year will not provided any kind of employment. National Child Labor Project is also there, and National Child Labor Project. Okay, National Child Labor Project is there, and this is under the Ministry of Labor and Ministry of the Labor and Employment. So National Child Labor Project under the Ministry of Labor and Employment, and Pencil Project is also there. So this Pencil Project is a platform for the effective enforcement no child labor. Okay, and Pencil Portal, this is a portal against the child labor. And Ministry of Labor, it is under the Ministry of Labor and Employment. Ministry of Labor and Employment. Okay, next is Bachpan Bachao Andolan. Bachpan Bachao and Andolan. Bachpan Bachao Andolan, and this is Save the Childhood Movement. It is NGO. Which is India is if there is a exploitation of the 85,000 of the children, and they are exploited nowadays. That's why there is a Bachpan Bachao Andolan. Okay, So this schemes are related to the child labor. Okay, so this whole initiative is implemented to reduce the child labor and child related trafficking in our system. Okay, now next is about the child adoption. Next is about the child adoption. Adoption. Okay, so child adoption क्या होता है? So see, there is a Temple of Healing and Union of India. सो टेम्पल ऑफ हीलिंग, नाम भी लग रहा है हीलिंग करने वाला है, ठीक है, वर्सेस द यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, सो दे आर वर्किंग फॉर द कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट टू ब्रिंग चिल्ड्रन इनटू द अडॉप्शन पूल. सो bring the children into the adoption pool, into the adoption pool, bring the children into adoption pool. Children living in the child care institution, parent not visited them over a year. कुछ चिल्ड्रंस होते हैं and they are living in a institution, they are living in institutions and parents are not visiting them for a year, or unfit parents or guardian. If there is a unfit parents or guardians, if their parents and the unfit for the guardians, so unfit parent or guardians are abused or neglected child, there is a abused child or neglected child. Okay, so this kind of the children's records are there and this is the criminal record. Criminal records वाले भी आ जाएंगे. Okay, all children which is abused, which is neglected or which is criminal also. So Supreme Court directed that begin the bi-monthly drive to identify the orphaned information guidance system. So there is a caring portal and this caring portal is working for, so very important, portal name is what? Its name is Caring. So caring portal, and this caring portal is working for the orphaned children, to identify the orphaned children, this caring portal. Okay, so CCI is provided the care and protection for the children's and specialized adoption agency. This is the juvenile justice, under the juvenile justice. ये किसमें आता है? Under the juvenile justice act 2015. This comes under the Juvenile Justice Act 2015. So adoption की definition, so there is a caring act portal and there is a Juvenile Justice Act, and जितने भी orphaned हो गए, और there are lots of beggars, there are lots of children who are in a criminal backgrounds or they don't have any parents, abused because of some reason, so all will be included. So fundamental principle क्या है adoption के, कब अडॉप्ट किया जा सकता है? फर्स्ट इज द प्रेफरेंसेस शेल बी गिवन टू प्लेस चाइल्ड इन अडॉप्शन विद द इंडियन सिटीजन. सो एक तो ये इंडियन सिटीजन को प्रेफरेंस दी गई है. ऑल अडॉप्शन शेल बी रजिस्टर्ड ऑन द चाइल्ड अडॉप्शन. यहाँ पे एक कैरिंग पोर्टल है, सो कैरिंग पोर्टल, सो ऑल चिल्ड्रन विल बी registered here, they are going to registered here. Okay, and next is placement of the child in his own social cultural environment. और यहाँ पे होगा social and cultural environment, and child based interest shall be of the paramount consideration. So permanently separated from biological parents and become lawful child his adoptive parents. So Hindu Adoption Act बनाया गया है. What? Hindu Adoption Act in 1956. Hindu by the religion of the form Buddhist, Jain, Sikh and the religion. So this Juvenile Justice Act 2015, Adoption Regulation 2022. Central Adoption Agency is there, CARA, and CARA is working as a statutory body for the adoption. State adoption body SARA, which is also working, it is a nodal agency. This is a nodal body for the adoption. And district agency, district child welfare committee is also there, and the specialized adoption agency is also there. Okay, so there is a AFA, like authorized foreign adoption agency is also there. So these all agencies are working for the adoption of the child, and there is a caring portal. You should know about the caring portal. And now this is the statutory provisions are given to the adoption, and ensure the adoption with the Temple of the Healing versus Union of India judgment. Okay, and Juvenile Justice Act 2015, which is working to safeguard of the children.